Next step for the steps. All right, next step for the steps. All right, that was a dad joke. So since this project doesn't have angles, right, and the steps are kind of an abstracted angle going down, I want to try to put a wall over here so we can nest the steps behind a wall. And it becomes a little more spatial, actually, as you ascend the steps. So let's say that wall is going to be, I don't know, 9 inches wide, because we made everything 9 inches. So what I'm going to do is a wall right here, but then that's going to decrease my the width of my steps. So I need to make that up. So to make that up, I'm just going to now I'm doing an operation here that one of you just asked about, and I'm going to do it here in a different condition. So if you want to take a look, it might help you, right? So I'm going to actually, first of all, let me merge all faces to get rid of the memory of all these pancakes on that pink wall. Okay, there you go. Now I can Shift Control, Sub-Object Select, click on the red arrow to send it in that direction. I'm not going to put a minus sign because I'm not going in the opposite direction of the arrow. So I'm going to put 9 inches. Press Enter. So I just made this 9 inches wider. Now I'm going to take it back from here, and I'm going to make a wall. Okay? And what better way to make a wall than just, right, do it this way and give it that endpoint. Right? Oops, I don't want to snap there. Let's say it's actually, let's figure out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 feet. All right, perfect. I'm going to do 9 inches. I'm going to do at 7 feet, comma 9 inches. Right? And how high should it be? 4 feet, right? Remember it was 4 feet? Okay, so let's go 4 feet. Perfect. Is that the way I want the wall to be? No. So let's go ahead and rotate. You can just rotate by clicking that guy and say 90. There you go. Right? So let's move that wall from that corner. Grab your endpoint snap again to that point. Am I within my cube? No. Am I flush here? Yes, that's good. So now I'm going to move this guy inwards from that endpoint to that endpoint. Okay? I think I'm comfortable enough to go ahead and actually delete that. I don't need that anymore. Actually, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. So if I go to my left view, I'm going to go to my left view. Do I have a left view? No. What if I want a left view and I don't have it? Go to that. Go say Set View. Go to left. Now you have a left view. Right? It took you to, see, it says left. All right, so that's my pure orthographic elevation. And you see I have a wall that kind of hides my steps. All right. I'm going to go back and make this perspective again. So the little arrow by the tab, go to Set View, make it perspective again. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and union that wall with that thing. So union that, Shift, select that, press Enter. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is merge all faces. Boom, there we go. All right, so don't you guys think that this actually is, all heads up, please. Don't you guys think that this is a little more consistent with the project type that we're doing? Doesn't this seem more subtractive out of a block? The stairs are carved out of a block, right? They're not, it's not additive. You're not throwing things at it. You have the 24 by 24, you take things away, and now it's, you know, it's consistent with the working method. Make sense? So please think about that on your own project. I think this is where I'm going to conclude making the steps. I think we're good with this, so I'm just going to stop the video here.